Addiction is a mental health condition that is the result of excessive or long-term substance abuse. While it's possible for a person to use substances without being addicted, the effects they have on the brain increase the possibility of addiction, even with minimal use. Addiction is usually recognized when repeated drug or alcohol use interrupts important life priorities, such as caring for children or maintaining employment. And all too often, relationships are sacrificed, and self-care is neglected as well. The most commonly abused drugs are alcohol, marijuana, methamphetamine, cocaine, hallucinogens, MDMA, Oxycontin, and heroin. Regular and excessive abuse of these or any other substances creates changes in the brain that lead to addiction. Substance abuse treatment should include individual therapy as well. Individual therapy helps stop the momentum of decision-making events that are guided by a chemical imbalance in the brain caused by the addiction. It's a weekly one-on-one therapy session that is not only educational, but also facilitates an opportunity to practice new acquired social and coping skills. Building on these skills in individual therapy make them easier to call in on real-world social experiences. Misconceptions such as a sober life is boring, or that your addiction doesn't affect anyone else. Individual therapy at Recovery Motion strives to provide personalized care to promote long-term healing and recovery from an addiction. The first stage of individual therapy begins with the initiation of treatment. All it takes to initiate treatment is a simple phone call. Our knowledgeable and compassionate staff will learn about the details of your situation and help find the best treatment option for you. The second stage focuses on providing knowledge and education, which also allows you to understand the reactions to abstinence. Individual therapy plays a major role in long-term abstinence as well. An aftercare plan that is easily accessible and easy to follow strategy to help you fight cravings, high-risk social situations, and other real-life experiences. Finally, Stage 4 addresses advanced recovery where the mind and body learn to regularly engage in healthy habits. Individual therapy at Recovery Motion can guide you through the recovery process and identify additional concerns that needs to be addressed. This allows our patients to exit their treatment program and enter the early recovery stage with several tools and resources that will be effective every day in a life of recovery. In addition to personalized addiction treatment, individual therapy also helps to identify any co-occurring disorders. A co-occurring disorder is one or more mental health conditions present in the brain simultaneously with an addiction. Common co-occurring disorders are anxiety, PTSD, depression, and bipolar disorder. Many addicts and alcoholics unwittingly turn to illicit substances to relieve symptoms caused by these conditions. Symptoms of the addiction worsen the other mental health condition and vice versa, creating severe symptoms of both disorders. Individual therapy at Recovery Motion is designed to achieve long-term treatment recovery of one's mental and physical health, as well as recovery of your sense of self. We are committed to offering a treatment program that is right for you and conducive to a stable, long-term recovery from substance abuse and addiction. Our knowledgeable and experienced staff is dedicated to helping you find your way to everlasting sobriety.